To create a Civil 3D corridor of our total model here, all we need to do is to go to Corridor Models and right click and then go Create Corridor. You'll be prompted for a new corridor name and the model you would like to create the corridor from. Underneath, we can then apply conversion settings. Have a look at the playlist within this where this video resides to have a look at more detail about how the conversion settings are applied, including the use of template assignment. Underneath, we then have the Civil 3D styles. So these are the styles which can be applied for the style of the corridor and the code set, including things like the alignments and the profiles wherever necessary. Additional alignments and profiles will be created. Once you're happy with how this has been set up, you can click on Create Corridor. You'll be prompted to locate where the assemblies will need to be placed within the drawing environment. So I'm simply going to left click here for the assembly array to be placed. Now we just simply wait for the corridor to be built. Once that process is finished, you'll end up with an entirely editable multi-baseline Civil 3D corridor, which we can left click on here. You can see we're actually able to access the Civil 3D contextual menu. If we head over to the Home tab, open up Toolspace, you'll see that we have our corridor that has been created, which is entirely editable for you as a user. If we head over to the corridor models, we can right click, manage corridors, and in here we're able to update the corridor if for whatever reason our total model design has been changed. We're also able to remove the corridor. If we no longer want a sync to occur between the model and this particular corridor model that's been created, we can uncheck the sync option. Right-clicking on the corridor models button also offers up the chance to reconfigure or resync the corridor between total model and the corridor that was created.